Archimedes principle. When a body, wholly or partially immersed in a fluid, experiences an upward buoyant force equal to the weight of the fluid displaced by it. Let us prove the Archimedes principle. The apparatus required to prove Archimedes principle are water can, measuring jar, solid, and spring balance. Now, suspend the solid from a spring balance and note its weight in air is W1. Now, fill the overflow can with water up to the spout. Slowly immerse the solid completely in water. When the body is fully immersed, note the new reading of the spring balance as W3. Water displaced by the solid flows out through the spout. Collect this water in a measuring cylinder and find its weight W2. From the experiment we have observed W1 minus W3 is equal to W2. Hence the Archimedes principle is proved. Loss of weight of the body in water is equal to weight of the water displaced. This upward force causing the loss of weight is the buoyant force. Since the buoyant force acting on the body is equal to the weight of the fluid displaced by it. Thank you.